guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be making a volcano. There's a few supplies that you need. You need some food coloring. You don't have to have that, but that's optional. You definitely need baking soda and you need vinegar. Also a container and a clear vase or cup will do. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour some baking soda on the bottom of our container, okay? The second thing we're going to do is we're going to add our food coloring. You can choose whatever color you want, but today I'm going to go with the red since we're going to make it look like a volcano. Just want to add a few drops, 2 or 3. Okay. So what do you think is going to happen when I add the vinegar to the baking soda? Please comment below and let me know what you think is going to happen. Okay, friends, the third thing we're going to do is we're going to pour the vinegar into our container filled with the baking soda. Just pour a little bit and watch what happens. We're about to see, whoa! What do you see happening? Let me know. If you pour more, the reaction gets bigger. Pretty cool, guys. Alright, guys. So, just to tell you what is happening. So basically baking soda is a base and vinegar is an acid. And when you mix acids and bases together, it makes a reaction. So therefore the vinegar and the baking soda react together to make an explosion. Let's watch it again. Alright guys, let's see what happens if I add more vinegar. I added another color to see.
That's awesome.
Is that cool?
You do a lot in this.
Wow. Don't touch it, baby. Alright guys, so comment below, let me know if you like this video, and please tell me if you tried it at home and send your pictures. Alright guys, thanks for watching, bye!